Hey, I'm here with you now, ready to unwind. I turned on the lights, and the room feels so cozy. The aroma of lavender is drifting around us. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Let the air fill your lungs, feel it moving through you. I will pour the warm bath water now. The water feels like a soft hug. I'll add the bubble bath, see the clouds forming. Do you feel the bubbles tickle your skin? Let the steam rise and feel your muscles loosen. I'm running a gentle hand massage. I use a little massage oil. The scent is soothing. Your shoulders feel lighter, like feathers. Now, lean back and let the water carry your worries away. Feel the warmth soak every part of your body. I'm whispering soft lullabies just for you. Close your ears and imagine a calm ocean. Your heart is beating slowly, aligning with the rhythm. I'm here, watching over you like a gentle guardian. The rain taps softly against the window. I see the city lights flicker like stars. Let's step onto the balcony together. The air feels cool, refreshing after the warm bath. I wrap a blanket around you, keep you warm. Feel the softness against your skin. We light a small fire pit and the flames dance. The warmth of the fire curls around us. I hold your hand and I see your eyes close. You exhale, the tension leaving. I whisper, you deserve peace. We talk about nothing, just breathing together. I feel your heartbeat sinking with mine. I guide your head onto the blanket so it's comfortable. The night is quiet, but the storm keeps singing. I trace gentle circles on your shoulders like a lullaby. Feel the softness, like a dream. Now, I lean over and breathe in your scent. It's like lavender and warm fire. The world outside fades, only us remain. I whisper, sleep soon, dear. I softly tuck the blanket tighter. Your body is relaxed, your breathing steady. I lean closer, and my voice is like a blanket. I whisper, all is calm, all is right. Your eyes close completely. A gentle smile appears. I keep my fingers curled around you, steady and warm. The storm outside becomes a lullaby for your mind. You drift into sleep, and I watch over you. I whisper, good night, sleep tight. Feel the night wrap you, like a soft cocoon.